For years, proving who we are meant carrying photocopies, folded papers, faded printouts, documents that could be misplaced or misused. Often, for the smallest service, we shared all details when only specific ones were needed. In a digital India, it was time for something better. Aadhaar, the digital foundation of a billion dreams. Aadhaar began its journey in a simple form. Aadhaar number was delivered to homes across the nation in the form of Aadhaar letter. For millions, this letter wasn't just a document. It was identity, recognition, access, a unique 12-digit random number, opening doors to services, dignity, and inclusion. As India moved forward, technology advanced, Aadhaar evolved. From paper to e-Aadhaar, secure, digitally signed, instantly accessible. For those who still wanted a durable physical card, UIDAI introduced Aadhaar PVC card, compact, durable, trusted, and then Aadhaar entered the smartphone. Identity became mobile, personal. Presenting the all-new Aadhaar app. A smarter, safer, paperless way to use and share your identity at your convenience. And now, it will also be Aadhaar number holder controlled. Privacy first. Share only what's required and keep the rest private. No photocopies, no excess data, only consent-based sharing. Share verifiable credentials securely through QR or app-to-app sharing. Prove your presence instantly using Aadhaar face verification. Update mobile number, address in Aadhaar. No queues, no visits. Check real-time status of your service in Aadhaar app. One-click biometric locking, keeping your Aadhaar secure. Aadhaar app is for families too. Manage Aadhaar profiles of loved ones in one place. Download masked or unmasked Aadhaar. Now check when and where you used your Aadhaar for authentication purpose. Share your own authentic contact card with anyone, anywhere. Your identity, always in your control. At a hospital, at a hotel, at places of work, pleasure or community. Just scan the QR, verify, move ahead securely and seamlessly. It's a transformation towards convenience, privacy and trust in a digitally Vikasit Bharat. From paper to paperless, from identity to empowerment. The Aadhaar app, your gateway to secure digital identity. One nation, one app for every identity. Platform for all, progress for all. मेरा आधार, मेरी पहचान।